It's time for bed. So good night, Chin. Where's your chin, Kens? Good
And
night, cheeks.
Good night.
Cheek. Oops. Oh. And good night, head. Good night, nose. Good night, feet. Good night, toes. Where's your toesies? Good night, hands. Good night, thumb.
Where's Harry's thumb?
Good night, legs. Good night, bum. Shake, boo, butts.
Good shaking your bum, Harry.
So, good night, little ones. Lay down. So, good night, little ones. Lay down here. It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep. Kenzie, wake up! Kenzie! Kenzie, wake up!
All right, who's ready to go to bed?
Not me.
Harry, you ready for bed? Say goodnight to Kenzie.
Now I'm going to say goodnight.
Harry, go say goodnight to her.
Kenzie.
Stevie, get out. Night, Kens.
Oh, I'm going to give you a hug. Did I make you cut the cheese?
So disgusting. Harry, do you want to say goodnight to Kenzie?
No, I don't.
Harry's going to say goodnight to Kenzie.
Here's your bump. Here's your pinky. What?
What about a hug? What about a hug? Aw, that's nice. What do you say, Harry? Just tell Kenzie I love you? What? Go, Harry. Whoa. Kenzie, you say I love you? Good night.